Alright, so if your games are stuttering, FPS drops randomly, or everything just feels delayed, your PC probably isn't optimized for gaming. In Windows 11, a lot of default settings prioritize background tasks instead of performance. So in 2026, let's go step by step and optimize your PC for gaming performance. First, turn on Game Mode. This tells Windows to prioritize your game over background apps. Next, open Task Manager and close unnecessary background apps. They steal CPU, RAM, and GPU power from your game. Now go to Startup Apps and disable anything you don't need. This frees up system resources before you even launch your game. Set your power mode to best performance. This allows your CPU and GPU to run at full speed. Now update your graphics drivers. This is one of the biggest performance boosts for gaming. Turn off unnecessary visual effects in Windows. This reduces system load and improves game stability. Now adjust your in-game settings. Lower shadows, reflections, and background details for higher FPS. Turn on hardware acceleration in supported apps. This shifts load to your GPU for better performance. Make sure your storage isn't full. Games run smoother when your drive has enough free space. Finally, restart your PC before gaming sessions. This clears memory and gives you the best performance possible. So yeah, that's how to optimize your PC for gaming performance in 2026. A few simple tweaks and your games run smoother, faster, and with higher FPS.